Okay, friends, let's have a look how we can get this a little bit more elegant here, putting that logo into the imagery. What we're going to do is we go to effects, and then in the video transitions we go to the push, drop it on our logo, have a look at it, and now it comes from the left to the right. We can change the ease in and out. That makes it a bit more smooth. Yes. And we also can change the direction. We can let it come in from the right side. From the down, push up, down. You can change the directions how you want. So let's see what's Feather doing. Yeah, it makes a little bit even smoother. Yeah, have fun with that.